So I think for me it was useful to go back through the full project life cycle, because typically projects that I've been involved in to date have been quite mature, and it's important therefore to understand what the project manager is expected to do at each of those stages. So I guess for me that was the most useful part.
The programme itself is very intense. There's an abundance of tools that are offered, so if I can absorb any of it, it'll bring a great deal of value back to my organisation. I think it'll need some time to reflect before I can digest it all, but it's been overall a good experience and also a good networking opportunity.
What I will say, it's certainly been an intense experience. We'd never heard of it before up in our area, so we weren't really sure what we were actually coming down to.
I found the course to be demanding, and it certainly tested your multitasking and being able to work on different project management skills.
We've learned some different tools and techniques this week, which I'll look to take back to Dounreay with me and apply. So for example, the LAMBIE techniques for identifying teams, depending on the different characteristics, picking a team essentially that will deliver the greatest chance of success.
The LAMBIE questionnaire allowed you to understand other people's perception of yourself and maybe adapt my communication styles with my colleagues, so hopefully I'll be more effective in getting the best out of my team.
The simulation, we were given an afternoon and an evening to plan everything, then to run a project then the following day. It was enjoyable. Learned a few nice little tricks associated with running a large scale project like that.
I found the requirement for team working as part of the task is very important, and communication was key in delivering the tasks.
As a company, there's a lot to be gained by putting the correct people down to carry out this course. It's good. I mean, you will learn from it.
Yeah, I think it's a good course, but I think you really need to question whether project management is actually the thing you want to do, because it certainly prompts those questions of, do you really want to put yourself through this quite stressful, demanding role?
It's been a really good learning curve. There's an awful lot of stuff been thrown into the last 8 days. There's a lot of time and pressure put on us to deliver certain aspects of it, but yeah, and it's been really enjoyable, to be honest.